Hello, my student. Welcome to my lesson. Do you want to improve your pronunciation in speaking Japanese? If yes, I promise that you'll gain more confidence after watching this video. Lesson 3. Today you'll learn the Japanese phonetics nani-nune no and hahifuhe-ho. Let's start. Remember the most important Japanese pronunciation, the vowels from lesson 1? Say these. Yes? A, I, U, E, O. Very good. Okay, today with N sound. Na for narcissism. Ni for nickname. Nu for nuisance. Ne for next. No for noise. Repeat after me. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. One more time. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Now you go first. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay, say faster this time. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay, good. Now, let's say the words aloud. お金、犬。Okay, with sound. は for harmony. ひ for hiccup. ふ for Mount Fuji. ふ is not ふ but not strong ふ. Please be careful. へ for hen. ほ for horse. Repeat after me. は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ。One more time. は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ。Okay, you go first. は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ。One more time. は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ。橋、船。Now today's summary. You learned n line and h line on hiragana table. As you know from lesson 1, hiragana is one of the Japanese scripts, and mastering hiragana pronunciation will be a great benefit for your fluency because it's phonetic and systematic. If you want to practice more, click the link in the description box below, and you will be able to pronounce like a native Japanese speaker. All my students find it useful. Congratulations! You've completed your third lesson. You're on the track. I'm so proud of you. Thank you very much for learning Japanese with Arai Academy of Japanese Studies. I hope now you feel more confident with Japanese pronunciation. If you want to practice more before you forget and access to the self-check test, click the link below. And most importantly, boost your confidence in speaking. Also, you can become my student by clicking the subscribe button below. You will accelerate your learning through my lessons. Finally, enrich your life. Did you enjoy today's lesson? If yes, I do appreciate for your click on the like button and share with your friends. Your warm support will encourage me to make more free lessons for you. You can enjoy reading about my activities and thoughts on my blog. Check my photos related to Japan on my Instagram. And I share interesting events and news about Japan on my Facebook page. Good luck in your Japanese study, and see you on the next lesson.